In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with breakpoints in Wix Studio. Breakpoints are the width thresholds that tell your site when to shift its layout so it looks great on different screens. Think of them as the signposts that guide how your content reflows from large desktops to compact phones. When you're in the Wix Studio editor for your site, look to the top of the editor. You'll see the breakpoint sizes laid out there. This strip is your control center for responsive design. It lets you quickly jump between views and understand which layout you're currently designing for, so you're never guessing how a section will behave as the screen gets narrower or wider. By default, you'll have 3 breakpoints ready to use: desktop, tablet, and mobile. The desktop view is built for larger screens and gives you the most room to compose complex sections. Tablet targets medium-sized screens where spacing tightens and some elements may need simplified arrangements. Mobile is optimized for small screens, emphasizing clarity, vertical stacking, and readable text sizes. Each one focuses your design decisions on the realities of that screen size, helping you balance hierarchy, spacing, and imagery appropriately. Next to the breakpoints, click the 3 dots icon to see more details about them. This is where you can review information and options that help you manage how your design responds at each size. It's a useful spot for understanding the ranges each breakpoint covers and how your layout choices relate to those ranges, so you can stay consistent and intentional as you design. Hover over any breakpoint and you'll see a small pen icon appear. Click it to adjust that breakpoint. This lets you fine-tune the exact width at which your layout should switch, which is helpful if your content naturally reflows better at a slightly different size. Make small, thoughtful adjustments and watch how your sections, text, and media behave around that threshold. A good rule of thumb is to align breakpoints with meaningful shifts in your design, not just arbitrary numbers. If you need even more control, you can add additional breakpoints by clicking Add Breakpoint. Use this when a specific layout needs its own transition point. Keep it focused, though. Fewer, well-chosen breakpoints are easier to maintain and lead to a cleaner, more predictable responsive experience. And there you go, with the default desktop, tablet, and mobile views. The options in the 3 dots menu, the pen icon for precise adjustments, and the ability to add breakpoints when needed, you're set to build a site that looks polished on every screen.